Three, two,
two,
one. Action.
Action.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm sorry I'm late for the interview. Good morning, Faye.
Good morning.
You know you're here today because of the interview about going to the mother country, because the British Empire has asked us to contribute to the sorry, to contribute to the government in the NHS, because the NHS has been mashed up. So this is the reason why you're here today for an interview, and I will be interviewing you today.
Yeah.
How does that sound?
Yes.
Do you sound
I'm prepared.
excited?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you
prepared
excited?
now. Yes, I am, because I was worried if I didn't pass the test. So
Yes. Well,
yeah.
I'm congratulating you on passing the test, and it's the first step on your way to the United Kingdom to become a trained nurse.
Yeah.
And can I
Yeah.
just introduce myself also, Faye? Myself and my other colleague will also be asking you a series of questions just to assess your suitability for this wonderful opportunity that has been presented to you. You do know this is a wonderful opportunity, don't you, Faye?
Yes, I know lots of people would like to be in this position. Yeah.
Good. So I should pass you over to my other colleague now, who's going to ask you some more questions about your ability to work with people.
I'm prepared.
You're muted, Lex.
Yes, I can't.
Okay, so in the meantime, just while our colleague's sorting out his notes, I wanted to ask you, Faye, what's your experience in your training so far been about working with people who are very sick and vulnerable?
Yes, I attended my local technical evening sessions, and I told them what my intentions were. So I joined the practical nursing class, and I was
was that experience working with humans?
Yeah,
Faye? Yeah.
Yes, because I was sent in placements where people were being cared for, so that I can help and see what goes on. So I have some kind of idea. And of course, I've been in hospital myself. So that's practical experience of what happens in hospital.
Yes. Thank you. Over to my next colleague now.
Okay. Do you know, Faye, these are vulnerable people you'll be working with. Do you know this?
Yes,
do you know this, Faye?
I've been told. Yes. Yes.
Are you prepared to do this job? Are you sure you're ready for it? Are you ready for this job?
If I'm going to do nursing, then I have to take whatever comes along with it. So have to be prepared.
Okay.
So Elsie, would you like to tell Faye what the next steps will be?
Faye, as you're here today, I will let you can have your medical now today.
Yeah.
And the next step would be to have your medical, your vaccinations, and so on. We will do the booking, and I must explain to you that the booking will have to be paid back within a certain time on a monthly basis. How do you feel about that?
Yes, at least it's not all in one go. Otherwise, how would that happen? Yes, on a monthly basis, I've got to be disciplined to know I've got this amount to spend and this amount for bills or whatever it is. So,
And I must add
part.
that you will be having some pocket money apart from the fare being paid for you. You will be having some pocket money to last you for the month until you get
Until
paid.
the first pay. Yes, that's really good. Otherwise,
So,
it would be financial pressure until something starts.
so
Yes.
all the best and
Mhm.
get everything ready because you can be called at any time.
Anytime, yeah. I'll be on the
So
lookout.
Congratulations. 2
Yes,
weeks the
thanks.
latest. 2 weeks the
Yeah.
latest.
Yeah.
So be
Ring,
prepared.
ring. Ring,
Hello.
ring.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello. Yes,
Faye?
it's Faye here. Yes.
Yes. Just to let you know that you only have 1 week and you will be leaving on the 1st of July.
Thanks. Ooh. I have most of everything ready anyway, so any little thing else I have to hurry.
Okay.
So it's first.
And all the best in your endeavor.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.